Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this section, we're shifting our focus from the properties that control the format of the AI responses to those that influence the content of the responses generated by the AI. Previously, we discussed properties like stop, n, and max tokens, which primarily provide us a level of control over the number of tokens that are contained in the AI's responses. Additionally, we looked at properties like response format, which allow us to define the desired format for the AI's responses, such as JSON or plain text. Now we will delve into properties that influence the creativity, randomness, and specificity of the content produced by the AI. These properties include temperature, top P, seed, presence penalty, frequency penalty, logprobs, top logprobs. To clarify, the properties we explored in the previous section, such as stop, n, and max tokens, are used to control the tokens in the response, and they ensure that the AI's output is structured, concise, and fits within specific length constraints. In contrast, the properties we will explore in this new section, temperature, top P, seed, presence penalty, frequency penalty, logprobs, and top logprobs, are designed to influence the nature and creativity of the content generated. They determine how the AI selects words, how varied the responses can be, and how much the responses adhere to certain biases or randomness. Let's take a look at each of these properties in a bit more detail and understand how they can be used to fine-tune the AI's responses. 1. Temperature. This controls the randomness of the response. Higher values, such as 0.8, make the output more creative and diverse, and lower values, such as 0.2, make the output more focused and deterministic. 2. Top P, also known as nucleus sampling, limits the model to choosing from the top P percentage of probability mass, and helps balance between randomness and determinism. 3. Seed sets a specific seed for generating deterministic results. This property is useful for debugging or creating consistent outputs. 4. Presence penalty penalizes new tokens based on whether they appear in the text so far, and encourages the model to introduce new topics. 5. Frequency penalty penalizes new tokens based on their existing frequency in the text so far, reduces the likelihood of repeating the same words verbatim. Logprobs returns log probabilities of the top tokens. This is useful for understanding model confidence and exploring alternative responses. 7. Top logprobs specifies how many of the most likely tokens to return with their probabilities, also helps analyze the model's token selection process. While these initial and more formal definitions may seem confusing at first, when you have completed all the lessons in this section, you will understand and be able to effectively use each of these properties to fine-tune the AI's responses. In this section's lessons, we will be diving into each of these with more detailed explanations and code samples to help you understand and leverage these properties effectively. Let's get started and explore the behavior of the AI responses using these advanced properties. Stay tuned as we continue to explore these powerful tools and enhance our AI-powered applications together.